Welcome everyone, François Mackay, President of Groupe Mackay and co-owner of Groupe Mackay Prestige in Portugal. We're so happy to be expanding in Portugal, and we invite all brokers or future brokers, or if you have any interest in becoming a real estate broker, to come and join us at our Albufeira office on August 15th at 3 p.m. So you'll be in the conference room with Mark Fernandez, my partner, co-owner of Groupe Mackay Prestige, and I will be on Zoom and I will be explaining all the benefits of working as a real estate broker for Groupe Mackay Prestige. For example, you will receive all the leads that you need to make your business grow. So the most important thing when you're a real estate broker is to have access to a clientele, and you will have access to many clients all over the greater Portugal area. So if you're in Lisbon, Porto, Albufeira, all the Algarve area, well, you can come and meet us or be on Zoom as well, because from anywhere in Portugal, you could attend this meeting by Zoom. But of course, if you are close to our Albufeira office, the address will be here, just come and meet with us. You'll meet all of our existing real estate brokers, plus my partner, Mark Fernandez, and myself, which will be explaining the great opportunity that you guys have to become a broker at Groupe Mackay Prestige. So we are a leading edge real estate company based in Montreal, Quebec, with over 75 brokers right here. And right now we have 7 brokers in Portugal and are planning to expand to over 100 brokers within the next 12 months. So if you want to be part of our great adventure, come and meet with us on August 15th at 3 p.m. at our Albufeira office, and I'll meet you there.